Hi there! Are you tired of juggling multiple grooming tools for your face, body, and hair? Well, say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000, the ultimate all-in-one grooming solution for men. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. In today's video, we'll explore why this precision trimmer should be your next must-have tool. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. The PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000 isn't just any trimmer, it's a game changer. This grooming kit comes with 18 versatile attachments, including a precision trimmer, foil shaver, nose and ear trimmer, and adjustable guards. Whether you're styling your beard, trimming body hair, or maintaining a polished look, this tool has got you covered. Plus, its DualCut Titanium Blades ensure unmatched sharpness and durability, giving you precise results every time. And the best part? It's showerproof, so you can use it conveniently even while you're in the shower. Let's dive deeper into some of its standout features. 18-in-1 Grooming Kit. With 18 attachments, you can achieve any look you desire. From detailed beard styling to quick trims, it's all in the palm of your hand. Titanium-coated blades. DualCut technology ensures the blades stay sharp for longer, giving you a smooth and even cut every time. 6-hour battery life. Say goodbye to frequent recharging. This trimmer runs for an impressive 6 hours on a single charge, perfect for travel and extended use. Showerproof design. Cleaning up has never been easier. Simply rinse it under water after use for a hassle-free experience. Ergonomic handle. The stainless steel handle with rubber grips provides optimal control, making every grooming session comfortable and precise. Section 3. Benefits and how to use, 5:01 to 8 o'clock. So, how can you make the most of the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000? It's simple. For the face, use the precision trimmer and adjustable guards to shape and style your beard effortlessly. For the body, the foil shaver and body guards make it easy to trim and groom sensitive areas safely. For the head, achieve a sharp, clean haircut with the various length guards. And with its showerproof design, you can save time by grooming directly in the shower. Talk about convenience. And there you have it, the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000, a versatile, reliable, and powerful grooming tool designed to meet all your needs. Whether you're a seasoned grooming enthusiast or just starting out, this trimmer is a worthy investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and grooming tips.